To activate Klarna financing, start by ensuring you have a valid email address and a mobile phone number, as these will be used to verify your account. Next, go to the Klarna website or mobile app and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Then click on the Create Account button. You will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. This information is used to verify your identity and assess your creditworthiness. Fill out the application form carefully and accurately, as any errors may delay the activation process. Once you have submitted your application, Klarna will review your information and perform a soft credit check. This will not affect your credit score, but it will help Klarna to determine your eligibility for financing. If your application is approved, you will receive an email with instructions on how to activate your account. To activate your account, click on the link provided in the email and follow the prompts to set up your payment method. You can choose to pay by credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of your financing agreement carefully, including the interest rate and repayment terms. After you have set up your payment method, you can start using Klarna financing to make purchases online or in store. When you check out, simply select Klarna as your payment option and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with details of your purchase and repayment schedule. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. Additionally, you can track your spending and repayment schedule through the Klarna app or website. In summary, activating Klarna financing is a straightforward process that requires you to sign up for an account, provide personal and financial information, and set up your payment method. By following these steps and making your payments on time, you can enjoy the benefits of Klarna financing and make purchases with confidence.